Hi, this is Michelle from On Demandly, and today we're taking a look at discounts for goPuff. goPuff is like getting anything delivered from your local convenience store, like 7-Eleven, CVS, Walgreens, etc. One thing I really like about it is their new user offer, which gives you $10 off your first 2 orders. Today, we're going to show you where to get the best discount code for goPuff and how to redeem it. First, click the link below to get the latest goPuff discount code. Scroll down until you see this section. Copy the discount code and click the Get Discount button to activate the discount. You can get the goPuff app on either the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Now, install the goPuff app and start the quick sign-up process. Complete the sign-up process by entering your personal information and your address. Once you're done signing up and you're at this screen, you can now add products to your shopping bag. When you're ready to check out, tap the My Bag icon in the bottom center. Then tap Discount Code under the order subtotal, paste the discount code that you copied in the previous step, and tap Apply. Tap Checkout at the bottom to complete your order. Okay, that wraps up our video on goPuff discounts. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.